In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a YouTube ad. So if you come across an advertisement on YouTube that's misleading or it violates YouTube's terms and conditions, then this is how you report it. You can either press the sponsored text in the bottom left of the ad, or you can press on the three dots in the top right. They both open up your ad center where you have the option to report it at the very top. So press on that. And then next it will give you a list of reasons why you'd like to report the ad. So just choose whatever it is. And then it lets you comment up to 1,000 characters. So you can go into more detail about why you want to report the ad. So when you've done that, you simply press submit, and that's how to report a YouTube ad. Thank you for watching.